Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today's demonstration we will see how you can uninstall the products like software AG products from your local machine. So let's start the demonstration before wasting a time. Let's say if you install the products on your local machine, you created one instance and you install the integration server adapter MWS and UM. Okay, well, taking care of one example. Let's say you like install the adapter on your local machine, and anyhow you're facing some challenges in that. You log into integration server, but there are some bugs, fixes, and errors, and that's why you won't able to like see the particular adapter related components on your integration server. Okay, facing some issues, and that's why you want to uninstall the particular instance and want to install it again. Okay, so that a case what to do. So let's start the demo. We'll see in details in a demonstration. Okay, so very first, this is a Windows machine. So in search option, you need to select, like you need to click the control panel. Okay, so enter control panel. Okay, so once control panel option get open, then here you can see in settings the program option is there, and here you can see the uninstaller program. Okay, so once you click on this particular option uninstall a program, then whatever instance you want to like uninstall. Let's say, uh, let me show you. We will taking care of this example. Like we install the tn instance, and this particular tn instance I want to uninstall the adapter related products. Okay, so what to do, I'll just select this particular instance and click on the uninstall and change option. Okay, so once you click on this particular option, then this uninstaller image page will open. Okay, so at the time of installation you are selecting this option, advanced option, and then you start the installation. Okay, but here at the time of uninstallation, simply click on the next option. Okay, so it will search those product you installed previously and you want to uninstall again. Okay, so as I said, I want to uninstall the integration server. Let's say give an example. I'll give an example as a integration server, my web method server 10.15. And in your case, like also adapter option I want to disable, yeah, uninstall. Okay, so I just select web method adapter 10.3 for a JDBC, and so I want to uninstall the designer Eclipse 4.90. Then those product you want to uninstall, select it, bunch it, and click on a next. Okay, so it will shows as a error. If you uninstall the particular product, the dependent also get a like uninstall. So you can simply click on yes, then click on next. Again you need to click on yes, again next, and then it will give a error. You can ignore it, and now you can see all the product list, like adapter designer, all the products you selected, you can see the list. Okay, and once you click on the next, it will take some time and it will uninstalling the all the products on your local machine. And once uninstallation done, and if you selected all the product, and if you want to delete this instance, then go to your installation directory and delete this particular instance so that it's permanently get uninstalled and get deleted as well. Okay, so guys, that's all about today's demonstration. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel, because it's a really encourages me to active myself you on this channel. And also you can share with your friends, and don't forget to click on a notification option. We'll see you in next workshop. Till the time, stay happy, stay connected. Have a great evening. Thank you so much.